Yeah, that's 66 Sims Lane.
That was this one crap because they don't like her. Then this one comes over here from where she lives and then bows up on her and jumps on her. I want her banned from my. I don't want her. I want no trespassing on her. I don't want her on my property. One straight her. I don't want her back on my property and start right up there. I've already told her. Oh, I've told her half a dozen times. You're not allowed back on my property. Come back on the property.
This is my little sister. I'm his older.
And she
lives here.
Hey, son.
I can't get rid of that one because she's 38 years old and living with me.
Come on over here just a minute.
And as long as she lives here, she can tell me.
Son, hey, do me a favor. Come on over here.
It's my house.
Hey, I understand. Come on over here. Come on over here. Let's calm down. Let's calm
Look,
down.
it's ridiculous when your children act this
I
way.
know
They
it
may
is.
not like her, but I don't give a shit. She's a friend of mine.
Okay, come on over here.
She's coming over here whenever I want her to.
Wait, let's come over here.
She's
hey,
not.
listen to me. Let's calm down.
I did not hit that girl first. I never touched her.
What do I have to do on an eviction notice?
Well, you had to go to Justice Court.
Justice Court.
Yes, sir. Go there tomorrow.
That ain't gonna do nothing, Mama. Don't worry about that.
I've had all I can stand of this. This has been going on. They think they run my life for years. I'm an old man, but I got every bit of my faculties.
You do?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Mike Sims, Joseph M. Sims. Everybody calls me Mike.
And she's friend of yours.
Rebecca is, yeah.
Go back there and talk to her, Pat.
That's my daughter in the blue. She lives here with her son. She's 38 years old, can't seem to find her own place. The other one's my granddaughter, and she's fine.
How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Oh, you can get out of the car, baby.
I'm not. First of all, I want to say I'm not doing this to get on your nerves. I just got to talk to you.
Oh,
I like you. I remember you. You remember me? Do you remember me at all?
I know everybody.
Honey,
Well,
he
I mean,
sees 1,000
You're,
people.
I know, but he's friendly though normally, and I don't understand why he's treating you like that.
How I'm treating you like that? Tell me.
I'm not recording you.
No.
I'm just
I'm
saying.
just saying.
No, I want to talk to you as a human being.
Rebecca. I want to ask you a question. How I'm treating you? Listen to me. How I'm treating you? All I did was ask one simple question.
I'm a victim.
Listen,
You see what I'm saying?
I don't matter about your victim.
It does. Like, it's
I asked you a simple question. What was your name? It wasn't nothing wrong with it. Said my name Rebecca Baumgartner.
Because I need y'all to learn that we don't have to answer y'all unless we are committing a crime.
You called us here.
That doesn't matter.
I did, and I
Well, it does
It
matter.
doesn't matter. So when y'all get a call, listen. So if you
Rebecca,
get an
I'm not
anonymous
gonna go back.
call,
I'm not
you
gonna
don't
go
have-
back through that no more.
Because you know I'm right.
You're not.
It's a
You're not
lawsuit,
right.
Sir. You know it
You
is.
do what you have to do.
I'm gonna bring a lawsuit.
Well, do what you got to do.
Well, Monday I'm going to press charges, and I'm also gonna make a complaint.
Whatever I have
Well, you can make a
get her out
complaint.
of my house.
These two officers that told me
These-
I have to
Do I have to
identify
see a
myself
judge?
because I called
Yeah,
them.
you have to
It's
see
not
it.
true. I only have
Wonder
to
Bron-
identify
Wonder
myself
Bron's
if
will
I am
be
accused of a crime or suspected of a crime.
Well, remember that when you call, when we are summoned here. Well, we through with it. Well, we through with it.
You don't have to walk.
No, I'm not walking away. We through with it.
Wonder Bron's gonna be there. You know, he used
You what?
Call your supervisor.
Call my supervisor.
Yeah, we'll call you.
I don't have to call my supervisor. I am the
Yeah, but I'm
supervisor.
asking you.
No,
Call your
I am the
supervisor.
supervisor.
There is somebody above you.
I am the
There's
supervisor.
above you.
Rebecca, best thing you do, get her and get
Sir,
her
I'm
on over
free.
here.
I don't
No,
have to
no,
go
go
anywhere.
ahead. We're not gonna listen to all this.
Well, then
This
go
your friend,
if
right?
you don't want to
Oh,
listen.
you don't
That's
tell
my
me what to
friend,
do.
but
Yes, sir.
Rebecca,
You don't
please,
tell me.
I can
You
ask
gon-
for a supervisor.
for me.
You gon'
That's
you
not
gon'
right. Why are you walking up on me like you're
you
threatening
gon'
me?
You're gonna end up warming up. Do me
No,
a
I'm
favor.
not. For what?
Sir, do me a favor. Get Rebecca.
What would I go to jail for?
What did I tell you?
What would I go to jail for?
Listen to me.
What crime?
You keep on, you're going down to jail for failure to obey, disorderly.
Failure to disorderly.
But simple, because
I'm not
Rebecca,
being
we just asked you
disorderly.
a simple question, and you're
How-
still talking.
What is disorderly?
You is still
Because I'm
talking.
talking is disorderly? I'm not raising my voice. I'm not
Rebecca,
cussing
you is still talking. We're not
I would
gonna
like to
listen
leave.
to me. We're
Can
not,
I leave?
Rebecca, we're not gonna go back through this again. You
Can I
understand
leave?
me?
Can I leave?
You understand me?
Can you understand
Do
me?
you
I'm gonna
understand
leave.
me?
I'm ready to leave.
Do you understand me?
I'm ready to leave,
If
sir.
you say one more word, you're going with me. Say one more word. Say one more.
Damn, she's all over here to help me.
No,
plan
say,
a plan.
I don't want to hear it no more. No, I don't want to hear anything else. You ain't got to tell her, please. I don't want to hear anything else. I had enough.
Daddy, back up away from everything.
I know you don't, but I do. I have rights as an American. The only reason I'm not running my mouth is I don't like to feel that. However, I do have a conscience. They tend to get out of my way so I can leave. Ask Cole to move his car. I'll go to
Cole's all right.
No, they tell her to stay right here until we get through with somebody else. Pat, does she have a license?
I'm being detained.
Who?
No, but you ain't got a way out yet.
Who she got a license?
To move the car.
They will.
Who she got a license?
Who, her? Yeah.
She got a license.
What's your phone number?
It's not in the way.
616.
I've already moved my car.
Ma'am,
Would you back up, Cole, and let her out before she goes to jail?
she can,
Cole,
hey,
back your car up,
she
please.
gonna stay right there. We finna
Go
leave.
around there and get those marijuana plants. Yes or no?
She's fixing to leave.
Are y'all gonna go around there and get the marijuana plants? I'm telling you about them right now.
Hey, if you don't get back in this car, you're going to be back in my truck.
Come on, we had enough.
Wait a minute. Look,
Come on,
look,
come on.
look.
We had enough. We
Listen,
told you to
sir.
come on, turn around.
Wait.
Turn around.
I was going back there to get pictures of the marijuana plants. Why are you acting
You're a
like this?
failure to obey a police officer.
We
Well,
had
you
a,
didn't tell me to do anything.
I don't have to. I got all this on. This is enough to tell you
Let's
I
go.
am a deputy. You've been told.
we good, Central.
Mike.
Come on over here. We had enough.
Sir,
Come on.
for what? What am I being arrested for?
Pay you to obey.
What did you tell me to do?
We're not gonna listen to all this, man.
That's
Hold still.
wait a
Stand
minute.
still.
That's what you were saying is failure to obey. But what command did you give me?
We told you to be quiet, and you still interfering when we're trying to talk to everybody
So that's the
else.
time you told me to be quiet.
Yeah, you interfering when we're trying to do our
Stay
duty.
right there. You failure to
I was walking
failure to
around
obey.
there to get
Pat,
pictures
it's
of
your
the
car. Put it on
marijuana.
you.
Y'all, I was going out there to get pictures of the marijuana. Huh? On the hood of that car right there? Right. Sure. Hey, over here, Mike.
Make sure your back
Did you
clear.
get it? Where's
Your
my
back-
phone?
Your back clear.
Where's my
I
phone?
clean
Where's
it
my phone
earlier.
at?
Come on, get in, man.
Where's my phone at?
Get in.
Give me my phone.
I got
Get
your
in.
phone.
Give it to him.
Get in.
Give it to him.
Yes,
Give it
your
to
phone.
him.
Get in the
Give it
car.
to him. Try to delete it.
Get in the
And
car.
it went straight.
Trying to delete nothing.
Get her on the jail.
Did he say he's got her phone?
Get her on the jail.
Does he have her phone?
We got it. We got it. She'll get it in the property. Come on, don't come on from the car, sir. She's going to jail. Come on.
24.
Come on back up there.
1305.
Hold on. Yes, ma'am. I got
Come on, let's go and get on down there, Pat. Pat, what you need, deal for her?
No, I'm giving her my mileage for the go.
Okay, come on, let's get in, let's go.
Yes. The other one doesn't own the place.
How you doing, man?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
Thank you for responding.
Oh, okay.
24.
Hey, Pat, let's go.
Can you go with 33 on the laundromat?
Hey, how do we move the car?
35, can you go with him?
All right, tell your granddad to see his keys in there before we go.
Hey, Papa, is the keys in there?
He can move it.
Thank you.
All right.